Want to keep everyone updated with your schedule? Sharing an iCloud calendar is simple and great for staying coordinated. Here's how. Part 1. Why share your calendar on iCloud? Collaboration. Share your calendar to keep others updated. Accessibility. Access it anytime on any device. Real-time updates. Changes sync instantly. Part 2. How do I share a calendar in iCloud? Way 1. Share iCloud calendar on iPhone, iPad. On your phone, go to Settings, your username, iCloud Calendar. Turn on Calendar. Open the Calendar app and tap the Calendar option at the bottom center of the screen. Back in the Calendar options, find the event or calendar you want to share and tap Add Person. Enter the names of the people you want to share with. Once you've added a name, tap it and turn on Allow Editing if you want them to make changes. Way 2. Share iCloud calendar in iCloud Web. Sign in at iCloud.com, open Calendar, select a calendar, click Share, enter email, set permissions editor, contributor, reader, click Share. Part 3. How to accept a shared calendar invitation. Open the email invitation you received. Click the Accept button to accept the invitation. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into iCloud. Click Accept to accept the invitation. Bonus: how to extract or export calendar from iCloud. If you don't want to use iCloud directly on your iPhone, you can use a third-party tool such as Mobican Doctor for iOS. It is a popular choice because it can easily extract or export data from iCloud. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. After downloading and installing iCloud Calendar Extractor, open it and select Recover from iCloud. Enter your Apple ID and password to log into your iCloud account. Step 2. Download iCloud sync files. After logging in, select the data type you want to access. Here is Calendar and click Next. The tool will download your iCloud sync files. Step 3. Export iCloud Calendar to your computer. In the left sidebar, go to the Calendar category to preview the calendars in your iCloud backup. To save them to your computer, just click the Recover to Computer button in the bottom right corner.